You all asked for it, so here it is. By popular demand, what to do with the Roku oil. So today I'm gonna do a quick ready fridge fried rice or one pot business with some leftovers that I had, some stuff I have in the fridge and in the pantry. Just gonna throw something together real quick, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna come out delicious. I mean, you have real simple things here. I have some leftover fried rice here. I have some chicken that I bought in the grocery, rotisserie chicken, some carrots, corn, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, pimento, ginger. Usual suspects. For the spices, I have some coriander seeds and some jeera. So yeah, quick business. This gonna be quick. It's gonna be delicious. Let me get into it. So we're going in with our Roku oil, about 4 tablespoons. Going in with our spices one time, we want them to toast. So coriander seeds, jeera or cumin. Gonna give it a couple seconds, so just infusing the oil, onions. Seeing the color there already. Seeing what the Roku doing. Ginger, pimentos, jalapenos, carrots, celery. Just gonna give that a sauce. Add in a pinch of salt at this point, because you want the aromatics to start to sweat. And the salt will help extract some of the liquid content from the aromatics and the veggies. Now we'll add in my garlic. You want to give the onions, the ginger, the pimentos, etc. enough time to sweat before you add the garlic, because if you add it too early, it will burn. Now I'll add in my shredded rotisserie chicken, giving that a toss. Add on sweet peppers and some corn. You could add whatever you want to a dish like this and just make it your own. Now I add in my leftover rice, half at a time. Give that a toss. Add the remaining rice. And I'm gonna drizzle in just about a tablespoon again of the Roku oil. Just to give it a little more pop in the color. And of course, it will add more flavor. I wouldn't call this festive because, as I said in the other video, to me like a festive rice need a little raisins or dry cranberries, a little dried fruit in it, some nuts and things to make it festive. So you could just call this one pot. I want to keep the rice moving in the wok. I want a bun sticking to the bottom. And that's it right there, you know. Quick and easy. Ready fridge fried rice, or ready fridge one pot using our Roku or Annatto oil. Boom. Quick things, quick things. Watch out there. Easy, simple, nice one pot dish. I mean, obviously, you could mix and match as you choose. If you want to put shrimp in this, you could put shrimp, or even some fish like bonito or tuna. Make it pescatarian or keep it vegan, leave out the meat. It's all good. But this is just one way you could use the Annatto oil. Gives your rice a real nice color and amazing flavor. Simple, easy, delicious. All the aromatics and spices that we have in there doing a lot of heavy lifting, but the Annatto / Roku oil gives it a real nice earthy flavor profile. Listen, you can't go wrong with this. And as I said in the other video, it is the perfect substitute for bowl and spray. So yeah, you could switch that out, use this. You can't go wrong. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, give it a share. If you do try it, let me know down in the comments how it turned out. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to do so. And of course, as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mm-hmm.